Okay, see Lindelof videos, separable differential equations from AP Calculus. I just want to make this really basic, just the idea of how do you know if you have a separable differential equation. And all I want you to kind of think about is that a separable differential equation is a differentiable equation that can be separated so that one variable is on one side of the equation and the other variable is on the other. So all I want to do right now is just practice separating a little bit. So we can see this is a differential equation. So what I want to do is I want to get all the, this is kind of in my mind what I'm seeing. I'm like, okay, I have this thing up here. I have dp here. Here I have p, right? Here I have dt, and then I have a variable of t. So I just want to get them together. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide both sides by p. This is just algebra, so nothing to freak out about. This is just algebra divided by p on both sides. And then I'm going to divide both, and then I'm going to multiply both sides by dt. And I think I end up with something that looks like this, right? And end up with t squared dt, don't we? Okay, I really do. You're like, what about the k? Yeah, the k is still here. Probably you're thinking, well, this is not very impressive. If this is calculus, how is this impressive? It's not. It's just this basic skill that you have to be able to go on to the next place. So let's try the next one. I'm going to keep this down to 2, I think. The next one is just this. So this is example 1 up here. Let's just be example 2. In this example, I'm just going to say that I have this dy dx is equal to x over, I don't know, 2y plus 1. Here you can see, right, we want to separate these. The x is on one side and the y is on the other. So all I'm going to do here is cross multiply. Just going to cross multiply here. So, right, this is means extremes theorem. I'm just going to cross multiply here and here. And I'm simply going to get 2y plus 1 dy is equal to x dx, isn't it? X dx. Again, I really do realize that this is not that impressive. This part of this idea is very, very basic. To be able to recognize that you have a separable differentiable equation is really important to being able to solve. And what I'm going to do in this next video, which is going to be a lot more involved, is show you, okay, how can you solve, given this operation, what can you do to solve, what can you do to do much better calculus. So this part of the calculus is just the algebraic part. So if you're not impressed, I apologize. I'm sure you're going to give me hell for it anyway. It's good to be back with you guys. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. You guys already know your comments are always welcome, so thanks for the support, man.